Have you ever tried filming a product video or running a training session only to feel overwhelmed by gear, cables, and constant setup issues? Meet iCastmini, your all-in-one solution to stress-free production. With just a small corner of your space, you can create a powerful AI-driven studio. Means no camera operator needed, no director required. Simply step in front of the camera, and you're ready to record or go live. From corporate training and product launches to hybrid meetings and business presentations, everything becomes smarter and easier. iCastmini integrates AI voice tracking and automated switching into one compact studio system. At the heart of it is the VTC-100, a dual-lens, audio-tracking PZ camera with an 8-mic array. It precisely follows whoever is speaking and automatically switches between wide and close-up shots, giving you professional, director-style framing without any crew. Paired with the iCastmini touchscreen switcher, you get an entire control room in a single device. Audio mixing, presentation input, picture-in-picture control, and full VTC-100 camera management. The 7-inch touchscreen interface is simple, intuitive, and designed so anyone, even without video experience, can confidently shoot and stream high-quality content. With automation doing the heavy lifting, you can create premium results with minimal manpower. iCastmini lets every business build its own professional AI studio effortlessly. Designed with advanced automation, it dramatically reduces production costs while delivering stunning, broadcast-level visuals. iCastmini is the smart investment for modern enterprises. Discover more about iCastmini on the Datavideo website.